Turn back. Cougar. No. Anyway, sneezing on people, the best prank. Top notch shorts. As we can see, this man is already about to sneeze on this old ass man. You looking like, bro, what the fuck? Bro, all you gonna do is wipe your mouth head. Nigga, I would have been confronted. And nigga sneeze on me, and it's actually a sneeze, bro. You gotta confront him. You gotta whoop his ass. Especially his seed time, you know. Oh, he closed. He done. He done. He done. Hey, that nigga done, bro. You can confront him. What the fuck? Damn. Hey, what's up with this fit though, buddy? Is them boots, bro? I don't like the long shirt, kind of like a dress. He's crashing and shit.
Are you sure? No, I'm good.
Niggas just sneezed on. You do nothing. But is they not worried about getting sick? The fuck? I understand it ain't as I understand what is it? CVID, you know. I understand it ain't it's you know it ain't as crazy as it was, but still though, nigga, the fuck? You get sneezed on that hard and the wet shit, you know that shit ain't it. Hey, nobody's confronting, nobody's doing nothing. Y'all get sneezed. There's your second time I get sneezed on. Talk, argue, something. You're getting sneezed on. This is what you do. You hurry up. Oh my gosh, where has society went? Where has society gone to now? You getting sneezed on, and you do nothing. You do nothing. Niggas get sneezed on and do nothing. Confront them. Stop reading.
You just fucking sprayed me?
What? I sneezed.
So you just fucking sprayed me? You think your shoulders went up and shit? That nigga shoulders went up and shit. Like, what the fuck? It's over with, bro. It's in your system now. Confront him, bro. I know you had a long day at work. I know you had a long day at work. Please confront him. What the fuck is... Oh, okay. You had a long day at work, bro. Confront him. Please confront him. Confront him. Confront him. No. No. Get off your phone. Stop. Stop. Confront him now. Now. Bro. You look too many times. That should have been confronting. God damn. Oh, he said, fuck you, all. He caught the camera. Okay. He probably said something. Oh, shit. Come on. She put a thing over her nose. The fuck is on bleed? Gotta be tripping. He should have sprayed it. He should have did it to her, bro. The fact she covered, I would have done it to her, bro. She would have went off. I know she would have went off. He said, God damn. Adam. Nigga face big as hell. What's going on, bro?
Huh? Oh, he came from the sky. From the sky? Yeah, it rains sometimes. I don't know how that's possible.
Confront him, please confront him. Are you gonna confront him or what? Okay, you standing up.
You just sneezed all over me, bro.
You said you just sneezed all over me, bro. Oh shit.
Oh shit, my bad, bro. No, what do you mean you're bad? You just sneezed all over me. What was that all about? I just sneezed. Yeah, you sneezed. People sneeze, bro. Okay, well, close your mouth.
People sneeze, bro.
How can you close your mouth? That doesn't work like that. It does.
Oh, you see,
So
bro?
when you sneeze, you got your mouth closed.
Say hi. He put the camera up. Oh, what you say?
Okay, well, close your mouth when you sneeze. Okay, so how can you close your mouth and sneeze? That doesn't work like that. It does work like that. So when you sneeze, you have your mouth closed.
I'm just gonna argue with you, bro. He should have took off on their ass, bro. But yeah, man, this is a dude like cover.